Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to solve the pyramids using the OCA method. So there is only one big prerequisite, that is you already know the keyhole method on the pyramids. Now it is completely important that you know the keyhole method, because the OCA method is basically the keyhole method with one change in the steps, which makes it a lot faster. So if you don't know the keyhole method yet, I'll link a tutorial to it right here on the screen and also in the description. I won't be going over the keyhole method in this video, so I'll recommend you go and watch it first and then continue with this video. But if you already know the keyhole method, then let's continue with the video. So just as you go in the keyhole method, I'll first solve the tip so that it matches in the center, and then I'll look at two of the centers, so green and yellow. Here is the edge. I'll insert one of the edges like this, and this is yellow and blue. So here is the yellow and blue edge, but instead of just inserting it like this, what we'll have to do is not insert it like this and look at the other slot. So this is the blue and green slot, and we'll have to insert it in here, but we'll not insert it like this either, because here blue matches with blue. So just take it out and insert it like this. So you'll have to insert it in a way so that the colors do not match. So there may be only one color that can match, that is blue and blue in this case, and you'll have to make sure that they don't match. If they don't match, then your first step is done correctly. So after you do the first step, it's pretty much same like the keyhole method. You'll consider this as a solid edge, and so this will become the keyhole, and on the tip we have yellow, green and blue. So this should be red, and I can see this is inserted here. So I'll do an R, insert one more red, and I'll do an R prime and insert one more red. Now you look at this slot. This slot is blue and green, wherein we inserted this piece incorrectly. So here is the blue and green edge, and now comes the really interesting part. What you'll do is insert this blue green as if the centers were not made. So like you did in step 1, just insert this blue and green with an L prime. So it matches right here, and don't get too worried about destroying your centers. Just see what the next step does. Now you'll rotate to here, and you will see that this edge has come out, which was inserted previously. Now you will do a U prime so that this slot comes up, and then you will do an R. So you will see your triangle like the keyhole method is made, and you have also preserved the centers. So now the last step, just like keyhole, is you match all the centers and then do the algorithm that solves the pyramids. So this was the OCA method. I'll do one more solve so that you can get all your concepts clear. So again, just solve the tip, look for centers, yellow green. The yellow green piece is right here. So one more way you can make it faster is, you already see that this piece is already inserted in the wrong slot, but this piece is inserted correctly. So you leave the yellow green piece, you leave the yellow red piece, which is this slot right here, and look at this slot. So this slot is red green. Here is the red green edge. Insert it, and you will see that this is inserted without any effort, and you have also inserted this edge correctly. So now you can just continue like you would. So check the tip. So blue is not here, one edge is right here. We'll insert another, and we'll insert the last one. And now we'll look at this slot right here, yellow green. So yellow green is right here, and we'll look at the yellow red one. So here is the yellow red. So this time this piece needs to go on the left. So you'll again insert it intuitively with an L prime. This time you'll do an U, so that you can bring this slot right here, and then you'll do an L to bring it back. And wow, we have got an algorithm skip. So this was how to solve the pyramids using the OCA method. Now I'll be going over some tricky cases that you may come across using the OCA method. So this is one of the tricky cases that you might get using the OCA method, wherein this edge that you need to insert right here so that you can bring out this piece is stuck in here. So to take this edge out, like you will do in keyhole, you will swap this edge with any other piece on the D layer. So this yellow green one for instance, and we'll swap it with the swapping algorithm that we learned in keyhole, that is L prime, R prime, L, R, which will swap these two, and now we can see that the piece has come out, and this is the green and red, and here is the green and red. Again we'll do an R to insert it, we'll do a U to bring this slot, and then R prime to insert this piece. Next we'll just have the algorithm, and that solves the pyramings. So if you enjoyed my video, be sure to like this video, and if you are new here, then be sure to subscribe to me to get updated on every new video I post. Let's keep improving together, and if you have any suggestions for me, be sure to leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.